Josh! Josh!
He's busy playing Warcraft. He's a real man.
Josh!
How do you know Josh in Liquid Flash?
Josh! Come here! Josh!
It's really working.
Yeah, it is. I think I hear someone.
You got Luke.
You got Luke.
I said Josh!
My arms out.
Hi, Josh.
Y'all just need to.
What's that now?
You're done. You guys are all.
Oh.
Tell me what to do.
Not
In
I
your
have to shut
room.
up this time.
You have no authority.
I want to staple your hair.
Mine or her? Yeah, go
Hers.
staple hers.
I
Alright,
don't
it's on
recommend
video.
That.
This time.
You have no authority.
I think that's what you recommended it.
It's not recommended by anything.
Luke, can I staple your hair?
No.
I'll
Or
shoot
something
you.
like that.
I don't recommend that.
1,
I don't recommend that.
2. I'll do it.
He will.
I hope not.
Too bad it doesn't staple shoot.